today's tip is we're going to glue the soles back on to these trainers because they're still good, they can still be used, and I've seen this tip and I want to try it because I want to glue my shoes back together, don't I? It's you probably get gasoline in your house, you've probably got a bit of scrap polystyrene and a wee couple, so we're just going to get straight into it. Hello, I'm Tatty. Welcome to the channel where I give you all the tips. We don't really need much. I'm just going to put a little bit in here because we're not going to use a lot, are we? I don't think. I do have another pair of trainers that need a bit of glue as well, but let's just crack on with this then. So apparently you just, let me see if you can see this. Drop it in like that. Oh, and it starts to fizz. Look, there's a reaction. Okay. And this is what we'll do. We'll just kind of drop it in, crush it up, and drop it in. You see the reaction? Nice. I like a reaction. A chemical reaction is cool. So I've got a couple of brushes just to kind of stir this together, but it looks like we're going to have to use a lot of this now. Yes, let's just keep on popping it in there. We're just going to keep rolling and see how long it takes to do this job. You see, fizzy reaction kind of kicks off and slows down a bit. It's clumping up a little bit. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Give it another stir or spin. Oh, it's clumping up. It is clumping up, but it's still fizzing. I'm going to put this bit in. Get this brush, just a cheap old brush, and we're just going to stir it around. Look at that, it's globular. I wonder if that could be used like that already. It's kind of gluey already, you see? But we're going to put more in. Oh, I've got a bristle from the brush in there as well. We don't want that. I'll try and get that out. There it is. Oh, we're doing this live, Tatty. Come on. I'm Tatty. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see tips. Fast tips. Tips that will save you money. Some tips could even make you money. Okay. Look at that. That's gluey already. I wonder if I should keep adding. I'll put the rest in, why not? There's only a bit more. A wee bit more. And I'll just dump it in there. Sorry for the terrible view. I'll try not to get my camera in the sunlight because it's super hot. It's 28 degrees today. Right. Okay. I think I'm going to pour that residue out, because you can't use this multiple times. It's like a one-time use only. Unless, I don't know, you put a lid on it. Put it, I don't know. I've been told that it's not. I might just use that the way it is. No, I should keep going. I'll be back in a wee second. We're going to keep rolling. Right, pop it in, break it up, pop it in. Sorry if you can see my feet, unless you like that kind of thing. I don't have an OnlyFans, but I'll start one if you like my feet. I'm only joking. That's terrible. This is a family-friendly show. Tips with Tatty. Like the video if this is semi-informative to you. Write a comment below, tell me where you're from. I'd love to know that, that's super interesting. Hey, look. I can't believe how much is going in here. Jeez, oh man. I think there's just the excess. I could pull that out, but I'm just going to put this bit in. Right, like so. Just bish bosh. Probably too much now. Maybe. Okay, put it all in there. I'm sorry if I was out of the view a wee bit. Look at that now. There's still a hell of a lot of excess. And I think that's, yeah, I mean that's glue. So I'm just going to pull this out. Safely, of course. Now what we are left with is this glue-like substance. See? Focus, yeah. That is very tacky by the looks of things. So I'm just going to crack on. Move this out the way. Crack on. Take that gasoline out of the sunlight. There's another tip for you. Do you know what? These are kind of knackered at the front as well. But I'll do the, do you know, should I do this? Let's do this wee bit first. Yeah, why not? A wee tester. A wee testy. Okay. We're just going to delicately, we don't want to make a mess with this stuff, do we? It looks very messy. Oh my goodness, it's not really going on to that side. Oops. 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 It kind of sticks on the material a lot better. Oh, look, I'll just get right under there. Yes, there we go. That's what we're looking for. We'll get some good contact. If we get under here like that. Yes, brilliant. I am confident in that. Now, yes, I'll put a wee bit along the edge like that. Okay. A bit under here. A bit under this bit. On the material as well. Okay. Right. Now, let's squeeze it together. It might need to set for some amount of time, I don't know. But let's get on with this. Because this is getting tacky. I'm just going to glob it up like that. And get it on there. I think we'll go, ooh. Yeah, it goes on the cloth a lot better. A lot better. I'll get round here because the rubber sole comes all the way up around the side, and we want to make sure it's nice all the way around. Okay, it's not too messy. I should have put a plastic bag. I do have a plastic bag, but I forget lots of things, don't I? Just a normal person like you. If you like this, then watch more of my videos. I do have kind of half decent tips, I think. I'm getting some videos together. A nice wee collection for you to just binge watch. YouTube loves binge watchers, right? And they'll really promote my channel. The algorithm will like it if you leave a comment, if you like, subscribe, watch another video, and then people will start to see my channel. I am at 10 no, I think I'm at 14 subscribers today. So thank you to you guys that have subscribed early on, joining the clan. We are going to go places in YouTube. I just need to get monetized. 1,000 subscribers would be lovely. And then I'm honestly going to bash on with it. Right, look, this is getting a bit tacky. Sorry for talking a bit of rubbish. But yeah, that's the way it is. Okay, I am coating both sides this has been coated and had a wee bit of time to dry. I've done all the way up to this edge where the rubber sole gets up to. I'm just going to try and get a wee bit closer up there without making it look horrible. I think we're good. So I'm going to push down on that. Okay, it's sticking together okay. Sticking together okay. Yes, okay. This might be successful. This might be very successful. I was thinking I should stand in them, like put my feet in them. Oh, that's not great at the front. But, I'm sorry if my head's in the way. Let's do number 2. Is this? Yes, this is coming off as well. Look, let's just pull it off a bit. Oh, this is getting tacky. Oh, right, we need to get a move on. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. We'll try and not be too messy, but we will definitely try to be fast. Right, get it on this material because it sticks better there, and then just put it on there, just like that. Just like that. Right. Here we go, DIY guys. This is how to save money, get your shoes repaired. Maybe you don't have some shoe glue and you just need a quick fix. And just somewhere that it just so happens to be some gasoline and a brush and a bit of polystyrene. Okay, sticky icky. I think I should put these on. I'm sorry if I'm out of view a little bit there. Okay, I'm going to put them on. No, should I? I don't know. Maybe I should just keep pushing it around. Look. I think I'm just going to sit here and keep pushing it. Alright, because I don't want to put my feet in and really separate some bits. That looks brilliant. This bit looks good. Let's keep pushing it in a wee bit. Alright, I might put my foot in just for a wee second. All you feet people. Oh! Okay. I don't want to stretch it out, do anything like that. Oh, I can see a bit of separation. Right, I'm just going to do that just so the heels and the balls of my feet are pushed down, and then I'll try and come out without. Oh god, nah, I'm an idiot, aren't I? Silly boy. I shouldn't have done that at all. But I did notice that I haven't put glue there, so that's not the worst thing in the world. This bit needs glue. A bit of shoe glue. And just get right in there. Now that. All the way up here. Oh bloody, yeah, that's why not do it all. These are, I forget the name of them, keep running. The kind of 4 stripes sort of thing. Yes, trying to be a certain other shoe. You know that. Oh, come on. Please don't fail me. So stringy and sticky. Why ain't you sticking? Come on, man. Stick for me. Maybe it's because I tried them on like an idiot. Come on, let's. Please. Now I'm just going to push it together. Like this, and then just leave it for a bit. It's in the sun. I'm just hoping the camera's not in the sun. I hope the camera's still working. Because it overheats, I need a new camera. Doesn't look too terrible. What about this? Doesn't look too bad. Right, I want to push it. It doesn't look too brilliant here though. Oh, stick down. Stick down, stick down. Okay, I am going to leave it for a little bit. Let's put some glue here first. Right, come on, stringy, go away. Put some glue on this bit first. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Okay, move this out of the sunlight. Move these into the sunlight. Okay. Let's leave it for a wee minute, or a good minute in the sunshine, and I'll get back to you. Okay, here we go. I cannot wait any longer. I was thinking about leaving it overnight, but I really want to wear my trainers, so feels good so far. This was it this one? Can't remember now which one it was, but oh, they feel good. Let me see. It's not pulling away. That's really good. Yes, perfect, ideal. There we go. A little bit of gasoline, a bit of trash in the way of polystyrene, and that's brilliant. There we go, guys. We have fixed it, and it's looking great. It's looking good. Very strong. Very strong. I didn't do the prettiest job here, but it's a great solution. Now I can wear these for a couple more kilometres or miles or whatever you're thinking in. So, tips with Tatty, everyone. Subscribe if you want to see more like this, and like the video if you got a bit of knowledge out of the video, and see you in the next one.